Sai Ram and welcome students. Today we will see part 2 of physical activity and leadership training, that is adventure sports. Now let's know the meaning of adventure sports. What are adventure sports? What are adventure sports? Where adventure sports means where you are with the nature. Adventure sports are extreme sports activity involving high degree risk. These activity often involve speed, height, high level of physical extension, and highly uh, specialized gear. Now, we are with the nature in adventures. Let us see the objectives of adventure sports. These are the objectives of adventure sports. Like first one is developing self confidence, builds concentration, develop bonding with nature, develop mental and physical fitness, improves social relation, and last one builds up courage. These are the objectives of adventure sports. Now, in adventure sport, nowadays these adventure sports are very popular with the youngsters. Let's see the types of adventure sports. In our syllabus, these are the five topics like rock climbing, trekking, river rafting, mountaineering, surfing, and paragliding. Now, let us see the first one. Type of adventure is rock climbing. The first one, rock climbing. Like you can see in this, it is a physical demanding sports. It combines fitness and agility with great mental strength. It is an activity in which a person climbs a natural or artificial rock surface. In rock climbing, climbers have to keep their body close to the rock surface during climbing and take support from their feet and fingers. As you can see below the picture, how the man is climbing the rock. He is very close to the rock. Now, materials or equipments required are rope, cord, webbing, carabiners, harness, belay devices, gloves, gear, sling nuts, hexes, helmet, climbing shoes, etc. As you can see in the picture below, these are the materials required for a rock climbing. Now, next one is trekking. Trekking is an adventure sport which is not at all simple task. A trek is an extensive and difficult journey in the mountains by foot for pleasure or sports. Trekking is an element of adventure tour and expedition. The trekking duration can be shorter as a day or as per personal interest and physical interest, fitness of the individual. Now, equipments required for trekking are tent, sleeping bag, pad, hiking boots, water bottle, headlamps, and sunglasses, and of course first aid when we are going for trekking. Now, the next one is river rafting. A rafting involves riding down the wave of a river in an inflatable raft. This is often done on white water or different degrees of rough water. Safety equipments are must along with the life jacket. Equipments required for rafting are life jacket, rafting helmet, paddles, inflatable rafting, boats, wetsuits, dry suits, etc. These are the equipments for water rafting. There are different types of water rafting. Now the next one is mountaineering. Another type of adventurous sports prevailing all over the world is mountaineering. Mountaineering, also called mountain climbing, the sports of attending or attempting to attain a high point in mountainous region, mainly for the pleasure of the climb. For the untrained mountaineering, it is dangerous pastime. So don't go mountaineering without the trainers. Now equipments required for the mountaineering are harness, ice axe, climbing, helmet, boots, camping gear, etc. These are the equipments required for the mountaineering. Now the next is surfing. Surfing is the sports of riding waves in an upright on prone position. Surfers catch ocean, river or man-made waves and glide across the surface of the water with the help of surfboard until the waves break and loses its energy, as you can see in the picture. The next one is paragliding. It's an adventure sport in which the player fly in the air using paragliders. These gliders are light in weight and are not safety measures to prevent sports injuries. Wear protective gear, warm up and cool. You have to wear protective gear. Now you have to do warm up and cool down also. You have to be hydrated. You have to take lot amount of liquid. Now wear appropriate clothing. Add strength and training and core. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.